All right, we have been working on distributive property for a couple weeks now. Just remember to distribute the outside value, or what I will call or tell you is the value that's alone, to the inside values, which is the values that are inside the parentheses. As you start, be sure to use parentheses to show your multiplications. As you get better, you can stop doing that. But again, right now, as we go, just make sure you understand what you're doing. Also, if I recommend that you draw your connections as you work. Don't just draw the connections first, but I draw the connection from outside 4 to 3x, and I say that 4 multiplies by 3x. Always use a plus to connect them, and then draw your next connection, which is 4 multiplies by 7. You then follow your multiplication rules. That is 12 with the x coming down. 4 times 7 is a positive 28, so we put plus 28, and that is that problem. Here, 6 meets with 5x, multiplies with 5x. Again, always use a plus. And here's where they want to start tricking you. 6 will meet now not just 2, but negative 2. And again, that's where the mistakes start to happen. 6 times 5x is 30x. 6 times negative 2, because there's one negative, is negative 12. Now, please do not write 30x plus negative 12, because again, simply writing this plus is not a good idea. Hold on to that sign so you know if it's positive or negative. For example, I did not write a plus until I knew this was positive 28. I did not write a minus until I knew this was negative 12. Even with this, you want to be careful. Again, this is where they start to try to trick you. A negative 3, because that is a negative 3, meets 6x. And, again, always use a plus. The negative 3 meets 4. Negative 3 times 6x would be negative 18x. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, because each of these has one negative, and again, in our multiplication division rules, one negative makes it negative. Here, negative 5 meets or multiplies by 2x. Always use a plus. Negative 5 then multiplies by negative 10. Here, that one negative makes this negative 10 with the x. These two negatives makes it positive 50. So again, make sure if you're having issues with this, talk to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, talk to me. But outside of that, I will talk to you later, and have a good day.